Welcome to another how-to video. How to align text in Canva. First, open your Canva. Here you can see I have my Canva open and I already have my text right here. Right now it is aligned to the left and that's the default one. To align this text on our body, just head over to the top part or the ribbon over here. Click this alignment option right here. Just click multiple times to get the alignment you want. Also, make sure that you hover first on the part you want to adjust the alignment. For example, for our title right here, click that one, then head over to the ribbon and let's align this to the center. Then for our body, click on this one and let's select center as well for our alignment. And there you go. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.